super loose chain. Alright folks, welcome to another awesome episode of Oregon Motorcycle, coming to you straight out of Oregon City today. This is the last official ORMC ride of 2022. So alright folks, talk a little bit about this ORMC ride that we do. We do this ride every Tuesday. Probably start it up again next year. And this is a great ride for all motorcycle people. All motorcycle people. Anybody that's interested in motorcycles, that has a motorcycle, that wants to come out and ride and meet some like-minded people. This is a great opportunity to get out and meet some folks and just enjoy a beautiful ride through the countryside, through Oregon City and Molalla, and have some fun. This ride's kind of mellow compared to some of the other group rides. We do it this way on purpose to just try to make it relaxing and try to invite newer riders. So if you guys are like more of a newer rider, this is a good ride to join in on. Always invite new riders, and we always wait up for everybody too. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know about these clouds, man. I hope it doesn't rain. We've been having some funky weather here in Oregon City lately. It's not forecasted to rain, but it woke up to rain Monday morning, and it's just really weird, sticky, humid weather, and looks like it's gonna rain now. My chain is super loose. I'm hoping that it stays on for the ride. So I got a new chain in Missoula. I haven't adjusted it since then. So yeah, it's really sloppy and loose. Got to do some chain maintenance. If this is your first time tuning in, folks, and you like motorcycle content, make sure and hit that subscribe button. You guys can hit that notification bell if you guys want to get a notification when I upload new content. You get a little text message saying that Oregon Motorcycle just uploaded a new video. I try to post as much as I can. Recently, I've been doing a lot of editing. I've had a lot of footage to go through recently with the trip to Montana, and we went moto camping. I still haven't even looked at that footage yet. And the Talaria, I got new wheels for the Talaria. If you guys haven't seen any of the Talaria videos, you got to check those out. That thing is awesome. Electric dirt bike. It's got some supermoto wheels for it recently. Woohoo! We're out here moto vlogging, folks. Yeah! Getting close to 10,000 subscribers. Here in a little bit, we'll do a little walk around, and I'll show you guys the mix of bikes that we have. It's always kind of cool to see the mix of bikes and see the riders that are on them. It's pretty awesome to see, sport bikes on the same bike as a dual sport. We're all riding together. It's a lot of fun. Are you in the very back? Okay. Are you at the stop sign yet? Oh. Okay. You're behind the truck still? Okay. Okay. That was rad.
That was quite like having to actually use my brakes.
Your front wheel stopped spinning.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, that was awesome.
Achievement unlocked.
Who are these people? Oh, that's Matt. Sweet. Well, hopefully I got some good video of that.
Yeah, I hope so.
Alright guys, we stopped here at Three Bears. This is our normal stop here. Take a little break. And we're going to start heading back into Oregon City. And we're going to go to the East Siders Clubhouse and hang out there. Maybe we'll have a fire tonight. Everybody make it?
Love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
stretch. I don't know if maybe he's trying to get a job. You trying to get a job or what?
I used to do that. Smells like money.
No, it doesn't.
No, you might want to take those off so you don't know. Give them to Amy.
Did you watch him going to the corners?
Yeah, I was behind him for a while.
When
He'd
he'd go into a left-hand corner and you go,
I know.
still keep the bike straight.
Yeah.
And then the next corner.
How do you do so many fucking track days and still suck that bad? Yeah. Oh, that poor guy. He's a nice guy.
He can suck all he wants. I just don't want to watch him crash.
That bike is nice with all the grass.
With the nature of that stuff, I mean, it's in you weeks after you do it. You know, it's not like you're...
It's just fucking ridiculous that you can go home, get fucking hammered drunk, wake up and still be drunk, and go to work, but you can't fucking smoke a little bit of a joint, get high, and then a week later you're going to fail a test. It's like, wait a minute.
They give you a
It's not even bad.
They weren't doing that when I first got my CDL.